Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my new Hot Wheels set, which is Hot Wheels XW Motor Show. So let's get into it. So let's begin with the unboxing. Okay, so this actually cost me around, on the back you can see that the MRP over here is written as 1999 rupees, but it actually on Amazon, if you would buy it, I'll drop you a link, but it would cost you like from 1100 to 1500. If you buy it on the sale, you'll get it for you'll get it for 1100, which is a very decent price. So per car it would cost around 200 rupees. Okay, so from the first looks, what I'll tell you is that these cars are actually heavy than what I expected. Actually, I expected them to be little cheap because Hot Wheels are day by day decreasing their details. So as you can see on this side, the details are decreasing. Earlier, the Hot Wheels used to have some better details, but now the details have gone down. Whatever the case, I expected the quality to go slightly down, but that's really not the case, and I really like it. And the good thing is that you can see inside, I'm not sure if it's visible or not, but there's the interiors are also present, so I think that's really cool. And these are actually weight, these are not like, these doesn't feel like cheap plastic or something. The body is metal, the base is absolutely obviously plastic, but yeah, the body of the cars are metals, which makes them feel very premium. So these does look good, and these actually feels very very classy. So these are the 5 cars that we have. Oh my god, yeah, already they have good wheels as well. So these are the cars, as you can see. So I'll give you the exact names. So there are all the names given. So it's 17 Acura NSX, then we have Corvette C8.R, Aston Martin Vantage GT, McLaren Senna 20, Jaguar F-Type. So what I'm assuming is ki this one, I am not sure, I'm really not good at naming cars, but I think this is the Aston Martin, and this one is McLaren, I guess. I'm really not sure. Please don't quote me on names, on the names of the car. So yeah, that's all the 5 cars. Let me line it up for you so that it's better visible. Yeah, I think these look better. Now let's go to some cinematic shots and see how does this look. Let's go. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the unboxing and the cinematic shots that I just showed you. So that's all from my side, and please like the video if you like the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.